Hi, Miss Nadelback here. So today we're going to be discussing email. Now, this might sound strange. You're going to say, I know how to send an email. You send emails to your friends or you've sent emails before. But there's a difference between sending an email to a friend or your teacher. So we're just going to go through the best way to compose your email so that you always get your questions answered. So let's get started. On the left side, you're going to see this plus sign with compose, and Google generally does that. They usually use a plus sign as a way to open up a program. Now you're going to see the two. This is important. All you need to do is if you know the start of your teacher's last name, you just start typing it in. Many of our teachers have some complicated names, right? So mine is Nadelback, which is a pretty complicated name. But if I click on it, there it is. Then we have our subject. This is important. Do not ignore this and not write anything in because then your teacher doesn't know what you're asking. So we're going to write based on our new Apex. So I'm going to say, let's just say this is social studies. You're going to say whatever the class is. So let's just say you do Soc for social studies, and then you're going to write Apex 1.2.3 question. Easy as that. It could be for anything like that. Just put in the name of the class or maybe the section you're in and then the question. Then you're going to write dear, or if you don't want to use dear, you could say hi, or you could say good morning. It's always good to include a greeting in your email. Makes teachers feel important. Then we're going to do the subject. Now, you need to make sure you're to the point. I had a question about how to find the inference in 1.2.3. So maybe it's a skill that you did in English and you didn't really understand what that means. I had a question about the wording, the word in this math problem. You could also say, would you have time to meet with me? Now, it's very important for you to ask for help. So this is a good way to say it. No one in your class is going to know. Just send the email and say, you need help, but just let them know what you need help with. Then once you're done, I know I had a problem with question 2. That's it. Thank you is always a nice way to greet, and then just give your name. So again, it's important for you to make sure you are clear. In the next email, I also show you how to do an attachment and other things. So this is part 1 of this email and how to compose a question to your teacher. Bye.